Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again, and I'm here to share my first look of this. I've been waiting so long to see it, and here it is, the iMac, M1 iMac, and this is the purple color variant that I think my wife is gonna go nuts when she sees this thing. But of course, you know the specs of this device. This is the first iMac that's running with the Apple M1 chip, and this looks to be the 8 gigs version, and because it is the purple one, it will be the higher variant basically, not 8-core 7-core GPU, but 8-core GPU. And I gotta tell you guys, it's looking pretty incredible. But of course they all look incredible, and I gotta just go to the side of this thing and see how slim this is. Unbelievable, guys. And it's a very deep purple, you can tell, super deep. You can see the stand is a bit of this kind of lighter purple color. And look, the bezel, yeah, it is white, but tell you initial impressions, it looks far more sleek than I thought it would be. And there's a very kind of seamless transition here. You can see between the white part of the bezel. In fact, you don't feel any separation there. It's like one straight piece. This has got this kind of glossy look to it. But let's just kind of walk around here with this display. Looks fantastic. 4.5, well, not 4K, but no, is it 4.5K display? And let me tell you, the quality looks just really good. Let's just scroll through some of these photos. I mean, look at that. That is stunning. And guys, I have a 27-inch iMac. I've been looking to upgrade. I kind of want to wait to see what happens with obviously the next, I guess, iMac M1 Pro or something like that would come out. But I gotta say, this display is looking just stunning, man. And of course, showing you just a few of the other models here. We have the orange variant. There's the yellow. This looks beautiful. There's the pink. Just go to the other side here. We have the blue and the green as well. Now, you know, green is my favorite color, but I gotta tell you guys, there's something about this purple color variant that is just stunning. And I do think, baby, if you're watching this, oh my gosh, I think you will fall in love with this computer the moment you see it. But hit me up in the comments. What are your thoughts on this M1 iMac? And just showing you also the matching keyboard with the Touch ID. Feels almost like a Touch ID from an iPhone SE2. And you have the matching mouse as well. So there you go, guys. Hit me up in the comments. What are your thoughts on this M1 iMac? And that's it for this video. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for future updates. It's gonna be hard not to buy this one, guys. I ain't gonna lie. It's stunning, guys. It's stunning. So that's it. And this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one. Gorgeous, man. Just gorgeous.